In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Canva. If you're creating something like a business proposal, a presentation, or a multi-page ebook, exporting the file properly is really important. A good PDF keeps your text sharp, your images clean, and your layout consistent when someone else opens it on another device. Canva makes this process very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to choose. First, open your Canva project from your dashboard so you're inside the editor. Before exporting anything, take a moment to review your design carefully. Scroll through each page and make sure your text is sitting comfortably within the page margins, your headings look clean and readable, and your images are positioned correctly. This quick check helps you avoid surprises later, especially if you're working with multiple pages. If any background images are meant to fill the page, make sure they extend fully to the edges so you don't end up with unwanted white borders in the final PDF. Once your design looks ready, move to the top right area of the Canva editor and click on Share. This opens Canva's sharing and distribution options. You'll see several ways to publish or send your project, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on downloading the file directly to your computer. In the menu that appears, find and click Download. This will open the Download Settings panel where you can choose the format and adjust how your file will be exported. Now go to the File Type section and open the list of available formats. Here, you'll want to choose between PDF Standard and PDF Print. PDF Standard is a good option for digital use, like emailing a document, sharing an online presentation, or sending a lightweight file that downloads quickly. PDF Print is the better choice if you need higher quality for professional printing, especially when sharp graphics and accurate colors matter. If you select PDF Print, you'll also see an option for crop, marks, and bleed. Turn this on if your document is going to be printed professionally. It helps with trimming and makes sure design elements that reach the edge of the page print correctly. Before downloading, quickly confirm that all pages you want included are selected. Then go to the bottom of the panel and click Download. Canva will generate the PDF and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Canva design as a PDF with the right settings for either digital sharing or print. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.